everyone. This is breaking news here. We have a winter storm that is occurring here across the upper Midwest Great Lakes region. And we're going to take a look at that right now. We're going to go here and look at the radar. This is the current radar here. We have heavy snow occurring here. We have a mixture of ice here in this region, and then we have rain further to the south. This will be dragging in colder air coming in from Alaska and from Canada, that is. And we'll take a look at that right now to see the cold air coming in. Okay. We'll take a look at the cold air. In the meantime, we have a storm tracker coming in, looking at this. This is conditions here in Wisconsin. This is current condition right here. Blowing through the snow, you see the snow blowing here, blowing around. Here, whiteout conditions. We also have the current radar here. This is what it's missing right now. And then getting more of the snow. Okay, so now we'll go back to the models here. And this is the cold air coming in. You can see it here sinking southward, 13, 23. So I'll back it up again. See sinking south, and then it pushes eastward, the cold air, not the snow. All right. So we'll take a look at the current models here, and this is the surface map, and you can see our low intensifies 980 millibar, ice here, snow on the backside, and then we go. Then it's over by late Monday. This is the GFS. Here is the European, about the same, a little bit stronger maybe, and then we look at the European ensembles. So this is where the heaviest snow will occur. We'll take a look at the snowfall totals. All right, a foot, this is in 6-hour intervals. 11, 12, I'm looking at the 15, 18. Then we go further, then we get another 5 inches, 14 inches here, 10 inches. Then we'll look at the European. Not quite as much snow. And then we look at European ensembles. Oh, this is the freezing rain, I'm sorry. So there'll be freezing rain with this. They're expecting about little over an inch of ice that could bring down trees and power lines. We can take a look at who's without power. Who's without power right now? And we have Wisconsin. These are the number. It's mostly in this area here, in southern Louisiana. About 4% of the people are without power. And then we look into Indiana. We have about almost, shows the percentage, about over 30,000 people without power. And then we look into Ohio. We have over 81,000 people without power. We'll take a look at the satellite image. You can see the bands here of heavy precipitation, embedded thunder snow in some areas, and we can take a look at our radar, our other radar. We'll see if we have any watches or warnings. Okay, nothing. So we'll take a look at our location here in the Great Lakes. Let's see, I have to pick a site. We'll look at Wisconsin. Let's go down to the bottom. Take a look at Milwaukee area. Okay, you can see there, here's the heaviest bands. We can take a look at some of these observations. Here we have, this is, don't know where this is. This is moderate to heavy snow. Temperature is 29. Dew point is, temperature 32. Dew point is 29. And visibility is about 3/4 mile. We could take a look at this one. This has freezing rain, and ice pellets, so they got everything here. The temperature is, well, we'll look at the northeast winds at 31 miles an hour. Temperature is 32. Dew point is 30. That's why they have the rain and snow. This one is unknown precipitation. Visibility is 7, so it's pretty light. Then we'll look here. We have 1 3/4 miles and light snow. Temperature 34. Dew point 34, so it's pretty wet there. Then we have freezing rain occurring here. This is, Sheboygan Memorial Airport. They have light freezing rain and rain. Light freezing rain. Temperature is 32. Dew point 30. That'll probably be changing. We have wind gusting at 23 miles an hour. We'll go back here where we're looking at these other, this is Waukesha. Light rain. Temperature 34, dew point 32. This is some of these have go somewhere that has snow. This is light snow here. Temperature is 34, dew point 30. That'll probably be changing later as precipitation gets heavier. This is a report here of heavy snow. Temperature is 29, dew point 28, so that's a good snow. It's still fairly on the wet side. Once you get in the 20s, you get snow. You get good snow. 1/4 mile visibility. And winds are gusting to 28 miles an hour. Again, here's the radar. The satellite imagery. This is the cold air moving through. So I just want to give just a quick update of what's going on here with this storm system. Now, as the storm system moves east, this will bring some rain to the east. We'll go back to the surface maps. This will bring, well, I don't have it on here. This will bring rain and possible thunderstorms to parts of the east on Monday. It'll start tonight. Winds will pick up. Here, Chicago Regional Airport, light rain, overcast. Temperature is 48, dew point 46. They're on the warm side. We'll take a look at the storm conditions again.
Dry slop's going to work in here. It's already trying to work in behind us. A little bit of a lull in the heaviest snowfall rates. Here towards Marquette and Lake Enhancement, it should keep snowing regardless. Definitely going to have some semblance of a break. Tomorrow morning goes nuts again. Yep, coming up we'll go just on the west side of Masonville, then Rapid River, and then we'll be northbound on 41.